There is something special about Korean barbecue that has me addicted to it. The flavour, the aroma, and just that great feeling you get when you eat it. It draws you in every time like the hardcore carnivore you are. I'll save you wait until the end of the video. They're super tasty, not dry, and moist. Smack! Oh. Korean style ribs are a lot different to that overly sweet barbecue you eat week in and week out. Most people are probably used to buying beef short ribs with 3 to 6 large bones in them. Korean barbecue uses the same cut of beef, they are just prepped different. Obviously the ribs are cut across the bone like these ribs I picked up from Mick out at Gippsland Premium Meats, weighing in at 1.4 kilograms. So that is the prep side of things done. Put these into a container and let's get on to the marinade. I'm pretty sure you all know what a marinade is. We need to put ingredients into a blender. You'll need to add the following ingredients: half a cup of soy sauce, a third of a cup of honey, 1 Asian pear that's roughly chopped, a quarter cup of mirin, a quarter cup of brown sugar, 1 small onion that's been roughly chopped, 1 small piece of ginger that's been roughly chopped, 1 bunch of spring onion. Only add the white bits, put the green bits aside for later. 6 cloves of garlic that are roughly chopped, 1 teaspoon of kosher salt, half a teaspoon of fine black pepper, 2 tablespoons of sesame oil, and 1 cup of water. Now give this a quick buzz. There's no need to turn this into a puree. The only reason we're adding the ingredients to the food processor is because it's a quick way to open up all the ingredients and allow their flavours to combine in this marinade. Once buzzed, pour this over the beef ribs. Glove up and mix everything around, ensuring all the ribs are covered. Now place these in the fridge overnight to allow that marinade to work its magic. Did you know shoving your meat in a fridge keeps it cool? Unlike when you shove your mother-in-law in one. Whole beef ribs are very tough and need to be cooked low and slow. What this does is it helps break down all that connective tissue and hard muscle. But when sliced across the bones to make Korean style beef ribs, it is the long marinade process and its ingredients that you will rely on to help tenderize the meat, as these are cooked hot and fast once marinated. So, no skipping the overnight marinade. Today I'm using a Weber GA and I'm pairing it up with a 100ml riser I picked up from Rub and Grub. Fueling today's cook is Heat Beads lump charcoal, and I'm going to be aiming for a high grilling temp of around 300 degrees Celsius or above today, and I'll achieve that by using half a chimney starter of the lump charcoal. Give the grill 5 minutes to warm up. Did you know charcoal gets hot when used, unlike your girlfriend who gets emotional? Today's cook is a 4,368 beer cook. Just kidding. Today's cook's actually going to take 10 minutes. And for those of you that follow me, you know what that means. This is a 1 beer cook using my beer timer. Relax, it's time to cook some ribs. Once the grill has had time to warm up, spray it with oil. This helps create a non-stick surface. We can then lay the ribs down directly over the lit charcoal. This will create some smoke as there is oil in the marinade. I tend to flip the ribs over every couple of minutes. We are trying to create some nice charring on the outside. Did you know when a grill becomes hot, it ceases to be cold? Now that the ribs are cooking away, we can turn our attention to the green part of the spring onions that we put aside earlier. Grab yourself a suitable sharp knife and slice the onions in a diagonal way. This in no way enhances the flavour, it just looks prettier than throwing full stalks on top of your food. These can go into a bowl for later. You'll know when the ribs are ready. You'll be able to smell them, as the Maillard reaction is a chemical reaction between amino acids and reducing sugars that occurs when food is heated, causing browning and the development of complex flavours and aromas. It's a non-enzymatic browning process, meaning it is not caused by enzymes, and it's a key factor in the deliciousness of many cooked foods, from seared steaks to toasted bread. Brown meat smells nice, whereas a brown eye doesn't. Hang in a little longer, you're nearly there. The ribs are done, so we can grab them off the grill and plate them up. Just garnish them with our expertly sliced spring onions. If eating delicious food is not your thing, what is? Let me know in the comments what you'd like to see me cook next.